boys, it's a pretty good day today. What do we got here? What do we got? Got Invidia Catback. Now it's the one with the little resonator. Sweet. Okay, we got our hardware. Woo. Oh yes, this is what matters, right? Is the silencer. Well, it's kind of look okay on this, but that's fine. It's whatever. Okay, for the grand show. See if it's that blue tip Catback. Woo! So look at that. Ugh. That's a pretty hefty exhaust. Huzzah! First step to this is to take a look at the Grimmspeed downpipe adapter. This goes onto the OEM downpipe. This right here. And then you connect that up. Alright, I got this baby jacked up on all fours. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect the old exhaust pipe. Gonna need some WD-40 to get those hangers off. Wow, she is off. Alright, let me give you guys a closer look on the Grimmspeed adapter. Here's how it looks. You have your adapter plate, you have your gasket, and you have your donut gasket. This gasket's a single gasket, but it's composed of multiple layers. Looks like it's a pretty hefty amount. So right here, you have this little flange lip looking thing, and then you have this flat side with this concave part. So this flange seats the gasket like that. The flange that you see right here, right there, and the gasket connect onto this side, just like that. And then you have your donut gasket that connects like so. Yeah, all right, so I'm gonna get these two exhausts, this one and that one, bolted up because I think it would be easier to bolt it up all as one than to do individual sections of the pipe. This is your hardware for your adapter, and then this is the hardware for the Invidia for the two pipes to connect to each other. So actually, you know what? I'm probably going to use anti-seize on these bolts just to be safe, because you never know when you have to take it off again. It's weird how I found my way around liking cars. I grew up in Japan. Well, owning a car doesn't really make any sense because you've got the train system, and I wasn't really an automotive boy at the time. I was more of a techie type of boy. It's your old gasket. That's your old gasket there. It's gonna be replaced by this thing. Cat. Hello. Sure, we could have reused the old one. Well, no, it looks a little crusty. Doesn't look in terrible shape though. This just seats right there, and then it goes like that. All right, looks like we got both bolts in. That's what it's supposed to look like. So you have your gasket right here. I hope it's seated properly. Should be seated properly. Okay, I think this is the moment we're all waiting for. Okay, so let's have a test with the silencer on, because I am worried about my neighbors, so. That's a pretty good sounding exhaust if you ask me. All right, Janky drivers, I'm gonna go off for a drive. I'm gonna enjoy my exhaust, and I think I'm pretty happy with it. Whew, there we go. Bye.